So today's video is a little blast from the past. Now what you're seeing here is one of the very first contracted jobs I ever got hired to do, and this is based in Riverside, California at the time. So the film that we're installing is 3M 1080 Candy Green Apple, something like that. So they don't make 1080 anymore. 3M doesn't make 1080. We've moved on to a newer version, which is 2080 with a better finish, better adhesive, better second skin. Now we're jumping over here to the front bumper. Now in my experience, I've done this bumper quite a few times now at this point, but with this first install, I learned a lot on this bumper because you need to stretch it a lot to get it to hug around that front corner edge. If you don't stretch it enough to wrap around that edge, it's not going to hug when you shrink it back. You're going to get some major bunching issues. But even though it was difficult to do the front bumper and doing this install in one day, I'll tell you that. This was done in one singular day. It came out great. It came out phenomenal. Everything was post-heated and wrapped well. As you can see from that final photo, it came out clean. So thank you guys for watching. On to the next.